Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. If you're new to the channel, I do primarily Harry Potter DIY videos. I do some other things, but most of it has to do with Harry Potter, like 99% of it. I also do giveaways for pretty much like every video that I do. I'm gonna do a giveaway for whatever I make in that video. And right now I have a 13K giveaway going on. So when my channel hits 13,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away the Monster Book of Monsters that I made a few videos ago. So not only do I do bigger giveaways for like different milestones for my channel like that, but I also do weekly giveaways. So every week you have a chance at winning something that I made. I've always loved making things ever since I was a kid. Ever since I can remember, I've loved drawing or you know, just creating things. So it's great that I'm able to do this and share it with you guys, and you keep watching my videos, and I love that because it makes me feel like I can just be a kid again for an hour or two while I just make things. So keeping with the Ministry of Magic theme kind of that I've been doing for the past few videos, in this video we're going to be making a Ministry of Magic ID. I've customized this one that I'm making in this video for me, so it's going to have my photo and my name in it, but the templates that I'm going to upload for you to download are completely blank, so you can just put your information in there really easily. You can just print out one of your photos and stick it in there, and then if you are comfortable with Photoshop or GIMP or something, you could actually put the text in there with like a typewriter font or something. If not, you can just write it in with a marker or a pen or something, and it would still look just as good. Anyways, if you're interested in any of the giveaways, go ahead and check out the links in the description. There's a link to the weekly giveaway as well as a link to the 13K giveaway. Also in the description box below, you'll find a list of supplies that I used and a link to the free downloadable templates. Go ahead and download that and let's get started. First, you want to print out these templates, and this one, the inside part, can be printed on regular paper. You want to print it double-sided. And then the outside part you can print on cardstock and also print that double-sided. And we're just gonna want to trim off all of the white space from around these templates. And we will do that with a ruler and X-Acto knife. So just line up the ruler where you want to make your cuts. I do have cut lines as guides on the templates if you need to use them. And then push down on the ruler so that the paper underneath doesn't slip around. Take your X-Acto knife and then just cut along that ruler. When you're cutting on the cardstock, you may need to go over it a couple of times to get it to cut all the way through. Now once you have this outside part cut out, we're just going to fold it in half like this. And then just open it up and fold it in half on the inside as well. Just fold it back and forth a bit until you have a good fold. Now we can take the inside part and sort of line it up with the outside cover and then just put a bend in it where that fold should be. And then just use that kind of as a guide to fold this over. And then you can take this side and fold it in to where that fold is right here. So you should have two folds, and then it should open up just like that. So go ahead and line the inside up again with the outside cover like this. And then what we want to do is take a stapler and put one staple right here to staple this into it. And the prongs that fold in on the staple should go on the inside. So you want to put the stapler on the outside and staple it right there. And here's what I mean about the staple. As you can see, the two prongs are folded right here on the inside, and then the flat part of the staple is right here on the outside. Now to close this up, we're just going to fold this side in and then just close it, just like that. We are going to take our corner rounder and round all of these corners with the whole thing closed up just like this. Now with all the corners rounded, as you can see, they're all rounded here, it should open up like this, and then again like this, and you should be able to see, obviously, your photo, fingerprints, and all this stuff. And one final touch we can do is where this M is, the yellow M, we're going to take a deco foil adhesive pen and color that M in, and then we're going to go ahead and stick some gold leaf to that so that it's kind of like a shiny gold. And this pen is a little bit thick. I've noticed it's like a marker. So I am going to use just some scrap paper and try and line it up so that I don't go off of this M too much. I'm gonna try and just color where the M is. And if I take the gold leaf and just stick it to the adhesive that I put on, it should cover that M. And when I wipe this away, it should look like just, you know, a golden M on there. Now I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to take a dry, soft dry paintbrush and just wipe this gold leaf away. There, so when you're finished, you should have this kind of a shiny gold M. If you're interested in winning the Ministry of Magic ID that I made in the video today, I'm actually not giving away the one I made in this video like I normally would do because it's just customized for me. What I'm gonna do is whoever wins, you can send me your photo and I will customize this to be your ID card, and then I'll just send it to you that way. So if you're interested in winning that, go ahead and click on the link. It's the weekly giveaway in the description box below. And now to announce the winner of a previous weekly giveaway, which was a Ministry of Magic personalized documents with a folder as well. And the winner is Larisa Singson. Congratulations, and I have sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.